no team lost last time, so you do elimination. A total of 16 votes. Chocolate ice cream is the first one safe with over 0 votes. Helpful is safe with over 2 votes. Is the next one safe with over 2 votes too. Bathtub and tissues got the same amount of votes. You just do rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Now she used the win token. Now she's just calling one of her votes. You know the votes that it just made when this episode goes up. Okay, will not even count. Now, why are you eating votes not bathtub videos? She's voting off this counts as a pancake eating counts. The team that does not eat their pancakes will be up for elimination. Yes. I agree with Phony for me. No. Cool. I was to eat the pancakes. A recommended kill. To find grass and only need to touch grass, right? Why? Hey, new acid. Oh, touch really hold. I'm not like invisible to you. Oh. Crickets are random, safe from elimination. Means the team Zap is up for elimination. What? Nothing. Quack, 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 quack.